Diesel is an important fuel for most vehicles, ranging from cars, buses, trucks and tractors. The diesel fuel filter protects the fuel system components of the engine by removing extremely small particles of dust and water. If not filtered properly, they can lead to wear and tear and block injection nozzles. The clean fuel from filter increases the service life and protects the complete FIE system. The filter is the main respiratory and functional system. Dirty fuel with contamination from fuel tank enters the fuel circuit. The maximum dust holding capacity of the multi-grade filter medium improves the FIE system life. The advanced technology of Delphi TVS filter has its unique advantage: clogging indication on filter to monitor the filter life. Easy and simple tools required for service. Fuel filter cartridge can be easily serviced or replaced. Better an imported polymer used to have effective leak-proof sealing. Pokayoke with interchange protect with other systems or assemblies.